This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Word and going straight to File Open. This puts you in the app's file view. Once there, check Recent and Pinned Items, then select OneDrive or this PC depending on where you saved it. If you don't see it, use the search box in the Open dialog and type the file name, a unique phrase from the document or asterisk. Docx to list all Word files. This saves time versus browsing folders manually. If the document is missing or you closed without saving, go to File Info Manage Document and choose Recover Unsaved Documents. That opens the temporary Auto Recover folder. Once done, you may need to inspect %localappdata %Microsoft \office \unsaved files to find the exact file. Open the candidate, verify content, then immediately save it to a stable location such as. To finish, expand your search to Windows Search and enable content indexing so Word text shows up in results. This helps when names are unknown. If you find an older copy, right-click the file, choose Properties Previous Versions to restore. If the file is corrupted, open Word in safe mode or create a new document and insert the damaged file to extract text. If that fails, make sure Auto Recover was enabled and check backups. Troubleshooting tip: enable Auto Recover and save copies to OneDrive before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.